Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to wrap a text around an image in WordPress web page. Let's come to the computer screen and log into your WordPress admin panel. Here we go. Now I'm going to create a new post. Here you will have to add some title like test post, and you will find a plus icon here. Just click this and you will find some options here. Click browse all. In the left side you will see all the blocks that you can insert in your post. Here at this position you will find a block media and text. Just click this block. Here we go. Now we have media here at the left and text here at the right. I am going to write some text here like this. Okay, actually this action have created 5 paragraphs. If you want to delete, just click the shift button and then hold the shift button and then press enter. Now this text is in one paragraph with separate line. I'm going to do again for all. Now this is our text and this is our image and I am going to upload it. You can upload it or you can select from your existing media library. I'm going to select from media library. Here are all the images. Let's select this image. Click the select button. Now you can see the image and the text around it. You may change its position, like you can move image to left and text to right. You can move in this position, align middle, align bottom, align top. You can do it as previous. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.